Your Destiny 2 armor models are bugged, showing broken visuals, but we're going to fix that right now. This video tackles the Destiny 2 armor models bug, ensuring your Guardian's gear looks exactly as it should. If resetting your graphics settings and verifying game files didn't resolve the corrupted armor appearance, the issue might be deeper within the game's cache. That's why method 3 is crucial. We'll be deleting the shader cache, which often holds corrupted data, causing these visual errors. After clearing that temporary data and restarting your PC, launch Destiny 2 again to see if the armor models have returned to normal. If you are still experiencing broken armor visuals after these steps, don't worry. Our final method involves ensuring your system and the game itself are fully up to date. Method 4 focuses on updating your graphics drivers and checking for any pending Destiny 2 game updates, as outdated software is a common culprit for rendering issues. This comprehensive approach guarantees we cover every angle to get your armor looking pristine again, so stick around and let's get your game fixed.